Soundtrack. Premiered 2019. The Road to Stardom with Missy Elliott. Premiered 2005. Shoutout. Premiered 2010. My Almost Famous Family. Premiered 2009. Rise. Premiered 2014. The Adventures of Mary-Kate and Ashley. Premiered 1994. Princess Sarah. Premiered 2007. The Mighty Boosh. Premiered 2004. The Baker and the Beauty. Premiered 2020. Dolly Parton's Heartstrings. Premiered 2019. Carpool Karaoke. Premiered 2017. More Carpool Karaoke 472 of 474 the funniest TV shows of all time. 46 of 74 the funniest shows on TV right now. 236 of 398 the best reality TV shows ever. Westside. Premiered 2018. Soy Luna. Premiered 2016. Voices of Fire. Premiered 2020. Maxxx. Premiered 2020. More Maxxx. 23 of 23 the best ever shows. 33 of 83 the best black TV shows of the last few years. And music. Premiered 2020. Viva S Club. Premiered 2002. Station Zero. Premiered 1999. Selena, the series. Premiered 2020. More Selena, the series. 180 of 394 the best new shows that have premiered in the last few years. 116 of 239 the greatest TV shows for women. 265 of 434 the best new Netflix original series of the last few years. Utopia Falls. Premiered 2020. More Utopia Falls. 71 of 73 sci-fi shows you should be watching now. 34 of 54 the best new TV shows with gay characters of the last few years. 466 of 638 the best original streaming shows of the last few years. Royalties. Premiered 2020. More Royalties. 159 of 326 the best 2020 original streaming platform shows. 65 of 119 the funniest TV shows in 2020. 197 of 552 the best new TV shows of 2020. Big Time Rush. Premiered 2009 More Big Time, rushed 39 of 112 The Best Nickelodeon Original Shows 90 of 142 The Most Annoying Kids Shows of All Time 366 of 507 The Best TV Theme Songs of All Time. Miami 7. Premiered 1999. High School Musical, the musical, the series. Premiered 2019 More High School Musical, the musical, the series 41 of 55 The Best Newer TV Shows. The whole family can enjoy 78 of 137 The Best High School TV Shows. 84 of 84 The Best TV Shows based on movies. Flight of the Conchords. Premiered 2007 More Flight of the Conchords 26 of 96 The Best HBO Original Series 53 of 94 The Best Comedies on HBO Max. Hannah Montana. Premiered 2006 More Hannah Montana 85 of 336 The Best Female-Led TV Shows 56 of 142 The Most Annoying Kids Shows of All Time 10 of 15 Disney Plus has all your favorite sitcoms from the 90s and zeros. Central Park. Premiered 2020 More Central Park 246 of 260 The Best TV Shows returning in 2021 103 of 326 The Best 2020 Original Streaming Platform Shows 60, 67 The Best New TV Sitcoms of the last few years. Go Live Your Way. Premiered 2019 More 626 of 638 The Best Original Streaming Shows of the last few years. 175 of 434 The Best New Netflix Original Series of the last few years. 19 of 34 The Best Spanish TV Shows of 2020. A Politician. Premiered 2019. Star. Premiered 2016. Victorious. Premiered 2010 More Victorious, ranking the best seasons of Victorious 25 of 112 The Best Nickelodeon Original Shows 234 of 305 The Greatest Sitcoms in Television History. Horrible's Sing-Along Blog. Premiered 2008 More Dr. Horrible's Sing-Along Blog 307 of 339 The Best TV Shows of the Last 20 Years. 279 of 356 The Best Musical Movies of All Time. 1 of 121 The Best Web Series. Empire. Premiered 2015 More Empire, The Best Empire Characters. Ranking the best seasons of Empire. 101 of 124 All the TV shows that ended in 2020. Ranked. Eli Stone. Premiered 2008 More Eli Stone 30 of 43 The Best Serial Legal Dramas of All Time. 95 of 119 The Best TV Shows that never got a real finale. Nashville. Premiered 2012 More Nashville, The Best Seasons of Nashville. 48 of 277 The Most Overrated TV Shows of All Time. 39 of 239 The Greatest TV Shows for Women. Zoey's Extraordinary Playlist. Premiered 2020 more Zoey's Extraordinary Playlist 29 of 54 the best new TV shows with gay characters of the last few years 56 of 394 the best new shows that have premiered in the last few years 56 of 95 the best Drandy TV series. Smash premiered 2012 more Smash 388 of 538 TV shows canceled before their time 81 of 98 the all-time best primetime soap operas 118 of 124 TV shows with the hottest casts. The Partridge Family premiered 1970 more The Partridge Family dark behind-the-scenes secrets from The Partridge Family 549 of 1728 the best rock bands of all time 270 of 474 the funniest TV shows of all time. Julie and the Phantoms premiered 2020. Encore premiered 2019. Get Down premiered 2016 more 43 161 TV shows most loved by African Americans 88 of 483 the best Netflix original series 75 of 81 the best teen shows of the 2010s. Sesame Street premiered 1969 more Sesame Street jokes on Sesame Street. No kid could possibly get behind the scenes stories from Sesame Street 151 of 389 TV shows that only smart people appreciate. Schoolhouse Rock premiered 1973 more Schoolhouse Rock 34 of 242 the best Saturday morning cartoons for mid-80s 90s kids 7 of 132 the best most fab cartoons from the 70s. The Monkees premiered 1966. Phineas and Ferb premiered 2007 more Phineas and Ferb 55 of 344 the best kids cartoons of all time 8 of 687 the best cartoons of all time. Crazy Ex-Girlfriend premiered 2015. Glee premiered 2009 more Glee, the best Glee characters of all time Glee covers that are better than the original. Elliott premiered 2014 more Elliott 101 of 306 the best shows canceled after a single season 1174 of 1322 the best guilty pleasure TV shows 92 of 103 the funniest shows streaming on Netflix.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.